A family fifth wheel that sleeps up to 8 with a bar top, 2 entrances, and front living? Oh yeah, honey, it's all that and more. Now this fifth wheel gives you a little bit of a different floor plan, and I'm here for it. Residential fridge, look at all the pantry storage, which I love. And here's what makes this unique. You've got dining for 6. Yes, you've got the extended dining table that seats 4, technically 5 if you want to pull a chair on the end, yeah. But what we've got here is an eat-in bar top. How great is that? They are finally making strides. Thank you, Keystone. I love how great this looks. Again, man-made countertop, great feature. And then, boom, undermount sink, high-rise faucet. Love the black mat. The black mat handles, black mat faucet, gorgeous. The window behind the sink, wonderful. Look at the stainless steel appliances. Absolutely beautiful, right? And the high-profile ceiling and ceiling fan just give this kitchen that light, airy, just happiness. But wait, there's more. Now, normally I'd take y'all to the living room, but I love the bath and bedroom. Did you hear the bedrooms with an S? Come on, let's go look. Here is also a great feature on this floor plan that I love, the side door entry. Why do I love it? Well, y'all, look, you can walk right in from the outside, beach, lake, right into the bathroom. So everybody's not walking through your dining room, walking through your living room with dirty little feet, or somebody's got to run in and get your floor messy. No, honey, they can go right in and use the bathroom. Let's look. Great size bathroom, built-in vanity with extra lighting, which I love. Lots of storage. What I love about the new shower liners they're doing in the 2024s, lots of built-in shelves. Thank you, Keystone. We love it. Love all the matte finishes again. And look at the profile in here, right? If you've got tall folks in the family, I'm 5'2", so I've got room for days. But when you've got tall ones, this is the kind of bathroom you sure want. Now, let's go check out the bedrooms. Y'all, when I said bedrooms, I wasn't kidding. Look at the size of this loft space. What? You could easily sleep 4. I mean, really, you can have you a good time up here. Air conditioning, huge feature. Power for TVs, even better. Power ports for tablets. Let me tell you, 2 windows, so you've got that airy feel. You could open it up if it's a nice night, but you also have that AC, which I love. This is such a cool feature because the kiddos can be tucked up here, and then you get to go down to the primary bedroom. Honey, this fifth wheel keeps on giving life. Let's go take a look. Again, I wasn't kidding when I said this master bedroom was something of a dream, right? King size bed. Love the over window storage, which I think is such a great feature with power ports. So you can do CPAPs, you can charge your tablets or phones. How great. We've got a massive built-in closet over there, which I love, but this is wall-to-wall wardrobe in here. The size is absolutely wonderful. So great. Dresser as well, and TV ready. So this master suite is fantastic. And before we go take a look outside, honey, we still have the entire front living room to look at. Let's go. Rear living, front living, either way you give me elevated living, honey, I love it. And Keystone does it better than anybody. This is what's so fantastic. You've got this telescoping TV. You've got dual sleeper sofas, you heard me, and theater seating. So after, you've watched the big game maybe during the day and y'all are at the lake or the beach and you're like, okay, the game's done. You know what? Let's sit down and maybe, I don't know, have a drink after dinner. Watch the sunset over the lake. Doesn't that sound beautiful? I know it does to me. So how great to be able to put this telescoping TV away. Fireplace. And now I'm going to sit down, watch that sunset, honey. I love front living. Y'all, I wasn't kidding. Look, this is that back door entrance right into the bathroom. What a cool feature, right? I think it's so neat because you don't have people running through your house. That's the back door. Now let's run around and check out the front. We have got so much outside. This is a glass entry door, right? Love that elevated look for 2024. It comes solar ready. It is auto leveling. We love 4 slides, awning, outdoor speakers, and y'all know I love pass-through storage. Take a look. This Keystone, Montana High Country, the 377 FL, is waiting to meet you at your local Camping World. So what are you waiting for? Come out and see us. She's a dream.